started the pub because I wanted to start a band, and my friends thought that the music was really bad, and they didn't want to start a band with me. So they offered to help build a pub. The feel appears to be dominated by our desire to try and make everything fit together and not force anything. We find an element, if it's furniture or a person or some music, just finding a place that makes sense for it all to fit in.
No, it's got a lot less pretentiousness than a lot of the other bars. It's not really trying to be anything that it's not. And I think the music here always tries to be of the highest quality.
Right. Yeah, I have a lot of emotional, I guess, feelings and sentiment about the value of community, but I don't know how to put it in words. It's definitely one of the most beautiful things about being alive, is being part of the community. I think a lot of people on the street feel the same way. Yes, I think the bird brings out good things in people. Yes, I hope to inspire people to do cool things and live lives that they love.
The bird's just really cool because it just has such a homely vibe. Lots of friends are always here, and lots of friends' bands are always playing. And it's just Mike, the chap that started it, it's just made sure it's a really nice environment. No bad vibes or anything like that. So it really works as a pretty chill place to hang out.
Definitely the vibes.
Definitely the vibes?
Definitely the vibes.
Yeah, it's pretty chill most of the time. And there are some good people who work here pretty good. Used to work here. And good music.
Great spot to play and watch bands. Just good bar in general.
The place itself it has this kind of, it's really kind of warm feeling. It doesn't feel like when you walk through the door, it doesn't feel like you're in Northbridge, you know. It just feels comfortable and it just, yeah, you walk through there, you sit out the back and it's just, yeah, it just feels like being out in your backyard. And it's just, yeah, it's nice, calm, relaxing, yeah, feel about it and yeah.
There's no strategy to want to change the face of Northbridge, but the face of Northbridge is changing.
Just the amount of talent that walks through the door, like just all sorts of bands and DJs playing here, and you know they're all super talented. And to be working here and to be able to see that, kind of be a part of that is really awesome as well.
Okay, do you feel like maybe the bird is changing like the face of Northbridge in like a small way?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah,
I think like it's united a lot of people.
Yeah, I think it's definitely a good place for bands, like whether they're starting out or if they've been playing for a while. It's a great place to play because it's the bird's got quite a good clientele now. Like even there's all sorts of different people come in.
I hope the future of the bird is I hope that its story as it goes forward. I hope we continue to have good people come through, good staff that stick around, but then ultimately go on to do something of their own. I want to see bands develop. I want to see people become more comfortable in their city. I want to see people become better dancers.